Arizona, homeowner's best friend.
And with that debris, I mean, what's the big deal with it? It's just, it's a little bit of dust. What harm could that cause?
Yeah, so that it starts with a little bit of dust, and then it constantly builds up, and then you see almost like a mud ball that's literally stuck in there, or a mud ball with leaves and branches, and so that just causes the water to just sit there. And you don't want water just sitting on your roof. We want to try to literally get that off as soon as possible. Even when it comes to flat roofs, when we do a foam roof system, we're gonna angle the foam so the water can go off the roof where the scupper is at. So you don't want it necessarily completely flat. You do have to angle it in certain areas so we can drive that water off.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona